Good afternoon, everybody. It is Sunday afternoon, the 19th of January, 2025. Now I'm standing right here, so I'm out of the wind for a minute. Nice sunshiny day. There's the wind. It is very cold. Now this morning at 3:30 it was 64 degrees. Right now the thermometer showing 50. The wind chill is about 40. The southeast, the deep south, the Gulf Coast is about to get slammed with a winter storm that we have not had since 2014. 2014 we had a big ice storm, and you talk about a mess. It was a mess, but we didn't get any snow. This time, Tuesday evening into Wednesday, we're supposed to get the snow first, 1 to 3 inches, the last I saw, then the ice after that. They've already closed the schools in the county for Tuesday and Wednesday. Tomorrow, Monday, they were already closed because of Martin Luther King Day, which all government offices, post office, all that kind of stuff's closed anyway. But anyway, it's going to be an interesting few days. So I'm going to take y'all through the whole thing. Starting today, I've been out this morning making sure everything is, water pipes are wrapped up, turned off some more water and drained the pipes, because they're talking temperatures in the teens all the way down to Tuesday morning. I've seen one site said we should be about 10 degrees. That's a big deal for us. Even a little bit of snow is a big deal for us. I'm supposed to have my cardiology appointment on Tuesday. I'm pretty sure they're going to close the base, Navy base, where the VA hospital is. I just hope I know they closed it before I try to go over there. But because the roads are supposed to be really, really bad. Now don't laugh, you northern folks, because down here we don't have snow plows, we don't have salt spreading trucks and all that kind of stuff. They do try to spread sand if they can on bridges and stuff like that, but it's just gonna be a mess. So went yesterday morning. I had 2 propane bottles empty, got those topped off. So we got plenty of propane, we got plenty of food, and we have a gas stove in the house if the power goes out, so we're good. We'll deal with it. Said, is it not unheard of to have snow here? We've had it every 6 or 7 years, ever since I can remember. The biggest I can remember was in 1973. I think we had 3 inches. Yeah, that was a lot of fun for us kids. So looks like we're gonna get something like that this time, which will be fun for the grandkids. Be fun for me too. Get out and play in it. So alright, that'll do it for Sunday. I'll see y'all tomorrow and show you what's going on then. Well, good Monday morning. It is about 6:30 in the morning. It is 25 degrees with a feel light temperature of 16. This is day 2 of the winter storm watch. Well, we're under warnings now, so And stop laughing, you northern guys. This is way different for us. This is very dangerous for a lot of people around here. Tomorrow morning, between tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon, we are supposed to get, there's all kind of maps, but the most consistent group of them I've seen is up to 3 inches of snow right here in our county, along the whole section of Florida here. Over in Alabama, y'all going to get some over there, maybe as far as Panama City. Got friends over there too. Y'all stay warm. It's not the snow that's going to be the problem, it's the cold. And if it starts sleeting after the snow, then that'll make it that much worse, which it may do that too for the roads. But I'm telling y'all, people around here can't drive in the first damn place, much less on snow and ice. And I haven't drove on it in years, since I left Colorado when I was stationed there. But it was different than the way it gets here anyway. 2014, I think I mentioned before, was the last ice and snowstorm we had. And that lasted a few days, and this looks just about the same. So it's about every 10 years we'll get a little snow. And we have gotten a few little flurries here and there since then, but nothing to speak of. And it's not going to get above 30-something degrees until Thursday. So it's going to be tough to get anything done around here. Today is a special day. I'm going to watch the ceremonies on television and hope we get to see some orders signed. That'd be pretty cool. It's a great morning in America, y'all. And we'll carry this on till tonight and see what happens, and tomorrow and see if we can see some snow. I'm starting to shiver. Gotta go in. It's time. It's TV time. All right, y'all, play-by-play on the winter storm. Tuesday morning, about 7:30. We had some sleet a little while ago. Not a lot, but some. The biggest part of the snow is just to our west. It's starting up around Mobile, Alabama. It's just starting to move into there. New Orleans is getting slammed. I'm watching a live feed from the New Orleans news station. Our local news could care less, I guess. But the last National Weather Service update. Not a Facebooker, not a TikToker, not a YouTuber. National Weather Service says our area, right here where I'm at, we could get up to 5 inches before the day's over with. That's a big deal. We might not make it. But we'll see. Like I said, very cold. Still windy. And as soon as it starts, I'll bring y'all back and we'll look some more. Alright, update. The snow has started. It's a sleet and snow mix. And the wind is a-blowing. Just now getting here up in town. Back to the west just a little bit. It's really coming down. Blizzard conditions over in Baldwin County and Mobile County, Alabama. Snowing hard in Pensacola. It's almost here. I don't know if y'all can see it. See on the trash can lid there. Just got a new update from the National Weather Service that said we should get up to 6 inches. That's a big deal, y'all. And before y'all ask, no snow plows around here. There's a few sand trucks. They actually spread fertilizer with them, but they spread sand too. Still no word from our local news, not one peep about anything, so we let's keep an eye on what everybody says on Facebook that lives over to the west. and the National Weather Service updates and videos on YouTube from people out in it, like me. There comes Butterbean. Kids are excited. It's going to be fun for them. Getting a little bit harder snow now. You'll probably see it.
It's snowing!
Yeah, what you doing there? You got some? Did you catch some?
It's all over me.
Yeah, it's all over you.
Snow!
Don't get too cold.
Okay.
And my daughter and them are trying to remodel their kitchen. Bad week to do that, but everybody's got cameras out. And Mama come out to see us.
Hello. Look, it's on the steps. Look.
Yeah. All right. Can y'all see it? It's going to get harder, so we'll see some more in a minute. That's enough of this cold for me. Hope you can see over there. I ain't getting out there in it. Ricky Jr. has built a fire. And it's starting to come on down now. It's supposed to do this up till 7 or 8 o'clock tonight. Well,
It's getting thicker.
It's getting thicker. Dang, alright, I'm going in. I'm cold. Alright, it's getting harder. It's starting to stick up in town.
There's some on the ground right there.
What?
Look at all the little bee birds up in the tree.
They don't know what's going on either.
They're down there on the floor.
Yeah.
On the ground. They came out from under the house.
Yeah, that might be high. Go in that back room and grab that bag of bird seed.
Alright, that's
Coming
enough.
down pretty good now.
Yep, it's cold. Alright, my friends up north, y'all's weather is in my yard. Come get it. Oh boy. And yes, it does snow in Florida now and again. It's starting to stick to the ground now.
Look, Emily, it's really coming down out here now. Sticking on the ground. Oh my gosh. Look at the car and the steps. It's really blowing. Wow.
It's a blizzard. We're all gonna die.
It's so pretty. It is pretty. Look at Joey.
Joey's trying to make a snowball.
Joey's trying to get enough to get a snowball.
Ricky's still over there by his fire.
Coming down out here now.
You tie a rope to you to get home?
Here in the harsh winter. Yep, it's coming down.
Alright, we will see it again in a little bit. Geez, that's cold. It's only 28, I think. Now it's starting to pick up.
Oh my God.
Now that, yeah. Granddaughter seen it.
Wow.
Get in and get warm.
Okay, love you.
Love you too. It's supposed to do this till 7 o'clock tonight.
Oh my God. Yeah.
I think the big kids are having more fun than the little kids. They're making snow angels.
Dang, it's cold out here.
Uncle Ricky, a couple of days ago, said put a tarp down on the ground to catch fresh snow so you can make a snowman instead of it getting dirty. He said put a tarp on the ground.
I believe this is the most we've ever had in place.
There you go. That'll work.
This is more than 93.
Oh, yeah.
The weather place said we got 6 or 7 more hours of this.
I'm gonna get you, Uncle Joey.
Yeah.
We ain't getting nothing done today. This ain't this up already. Try again.
Oh, old man's going in again. Y'all, this is not Florida cracker weather. The last forecast I saw just a minute ago, it's a little after 1 o'clock now in the afternoon. It's supposed to snow like this, and the hard stuff hadn't got here yet until 10 o'clock tonight. So, needless to say, there will be, the old record broke. It was back in 1800 something. And they just said Pensacola possible 7 to 8 inches now. I think they said around here it's about 2 officially so far. And the wind hadn't got here yet. It's supposed to be blizzard conditions here in a little bit. So that's that for now. We're going to carry this video all the way into tomorrow morning, and we'll see what it looks like after it stops. I hope it does stop. Well, would you look at here. And the heaviest part is still not here. I've got to go walk around. I got to check out the front. Got on my trusty cow boots. Won't slip and bust my butt. I didn't get my gloves.
Oh, you want your gloves?
Yeah, would you hand them to me? They're right there on the desk. We do have winter clothes. We just don't know where they are half the time. We don't ever need them. Hang on. I know y'all probably don't want to see this.
Which pair did you want? I gave my other pair to Emily.
We ain't got no snow shovels.
Huh?
I'm talking to the camera.
Oh.
Give me these. You put those on.
I gave my other pair to, yeah, I said Emily, but I meant Maddie.
Right, hang on, let me get my gloves on. Hang on, I'm trying to get my gloves back on. Alright. Now, me and Mama's going to take a short walk.
Yeah, very short one, probably.
They say we were going to break. The record is 1954 at 4 inches. I think we've got that already. Thanks. Neat, neat, neat.
Oh, did I get in the way of the camera?
Nope, that's enough. Front yard still here. The kids were out again playing, and they said nope.
Here you go, dear. This is my snow angel. Here, let's see.
They don't make sweatpants like they used to. I think Ricky Jr. gave up on his fire. Look at that. I've never seen this before here. She just threw a snowball at me. Now she's throwing it at y'all. You covered up the camera.
Uh-oh, I'm sorry.
Look at you. Yeah, she's throwing snowballs at y'all. Alright, that's all I wanted to see. Bye. Never ever have we got anything like this, y'all. And the worst is still not to come. Not here, still to come. Said it ain't gonna stop till about 10 tonight. And it's only 3:30 now. Goodness. It was fun, but it's getting to where it's not fun anymore. Look at the backyard back there. How about that? I got this back window on my computer desk open so I can look out and see it. I don't have to come out but every now and again. They're expecting blizzard conditions soon. Already over Pensacola they're having blizzard conditions. You can't see. They're showing cameras on Ryan Hall. That's the only information we can get on it. And it's better than local would be anyway. When Ryan Hall came on the air today, I said, Ryan Hall's live. We'll be okay. Anyway, he's got the best live radar and all that kind of stuff anyway. Them little birds are trying to get under the back porch. I guess they're trying to stay warm. How about that? Snow sticking to my house slippers. Thought about going back around front and doing some more videoing, but I hear my grandson over there, I think, hooting and hollering. Alright, just before dark, I'll show y'all some more. Measuring right at 4 inches now. So, that's a lot. Oh, it's about to get dark. So this will be the last clip for today. That is over a foot snowdrift right there. I'm not brave enough to get out there and measure it right now. It's supposed to be 14 degrees tonight here. So it'll be here in the morning. Look out that way. I'm trying to stay out of the wind. Damp cold wind and I'll be sick. That's why I've not been out playing in it. And that's for the kids, and they had a good time today. Look at this. Ain't that something? They're calling it a once in a lifetime or once in our lifetime storm. I didn't think much about that to start with, but you know, maybe it is. The Florida record for snowfall has already been broke by a couple of inches over in Escambia County, Florida, over north of Pensacola. And we got, they say, 5 more hours of this from now. So it's 5 o'clock now, around 10 o'clock it should move out. So we'll do one more video clip in the morning, show you how much we wound up with all together, and we'll see y'all then, if I don't slip down in it before I get in. Well, good morning. It is the next morning, Wednesday morning. I don't know what time it finally stopped. About 8 o'clock. I'd had enough fun for the day. Kids running around taking measurements, best we can tell, about 9 inches here. More than that in other places. The official measurement being reported on the news, the state of Florida record was 4 inches. I probably mentioned this, set back in 1954, I think, or 56, something like that. And I have pictures of that my mother had. Well, she graduated high school back in that time. Was 4 inches, like I said. Official report, state of Florida record, Milton, Florida, right here where I live, 8.8 inches officially. And it's just something else for us to see this. There's some icicles on the back porch. The shop roof is covered, well, everything's covered. Got a cool little snow drift right here. Beside Mama's car. Joey's got a truckload of snow. And the kids have been tromping back and forth. I'm not going to walk around out there in it right now. And it is 20 degrees right now. and the sun's fixing to come up. It's only supposed to get 35 today, so it'll melt. A lot of it will melt off. Some of it will, not all. There's tracks over there where a rabbit or a kitty cat or something ran through. Cedar trees across the street there. Amazing. Amazing. Roads are closed. Countywide, you're not supposed to be driving. For emergency purposes only. Or they will stop you, is what they said. If they can get to you. Interstates are closed. Barricaded closed. These sheets of ice. So there we go. The great snowstorm of 2025. And we are still alive. It's a real light powdery snow. It's not heavy wet snow. Now, I lived in Colorado for 6 years when I was stationed in the Army out there. So I know all about snow. We've seen lots of it out there. But it's been a long time too. Never thought we'd see this here. Very cool. Never lost power. Never heard of anybody around here losing power. Which means the house is still warm. Which means I'm going back in there. Thank y'all for following me along. Following with me. Pros, y'all. Through this historic event we had around here. And thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. And I'll talk to y'all in a day or two. One more look. Front yard. There's a pretty sight right there. Flag waving in the breeze. Coffee, coffee, coffee.